Use this format for every file: year, month, day, vessel name, and finally document type. Why? Let's break it down. Putting the date first, in the format year, month, day, means your files are automatically sorted in chronological order. No guesswork, just clarity. Including the vessel name instantly tells you who the document belongs to. That's essential when managing multiple ships across different teams. The document type helps identify what you're opening, whether it's a report, a manual, or a contract. It's like labeling the contents of a folder before you even open it. Never use commas, periods, or special symbols in file names. They can break file paths, mess up search functions, and delay collaboration. Let's avoid these common mistakes. Using vague names like doc1 or scan final, skipping the date, or using inconsistent formats, adding symbols like ampersand, percent, or hash, and using personal shorthand only you understand. All of these lead to lost files, wasted time, and frustrated teams. When you standardize file names, you get faster search results, easier filtering, less duplication, and smoother handovers and team efficiency. Clear naming isn't just tidy. It's strategic, it supports better collaboration and keeps operations moving forward. Let's keep it clear, smart,